So we're out with Estarli because Estarli are coming to Twinfest.
Yay!
Now we saw Estarli at the NEC displaying their wonderful bikes, so here we are testing them out.
Yay!
I'm in setting 1, and these foldable bikes are perfect for the vans that we have. So we've got an Adria Twin 640 SGX Sports, which has got the raisin bed, and these fit perfectly underneath the bed.
I'm on the E20.X and it's an automatic bike, so luckily I don't need to change these gears, which is epic. And I don't have to think about it, and it's a very comfortable ride. It's effortless, in fact, considering I haven't been on a bike for a very long time. Back in 1980, I bought myself a Specialized bike, thinking I was going to be a proper mountain biker, and it didn't get a lot of use. So I absolutely love getting out in nature, and this would just give us some great trips around. I've been dying to cycle around a lake, like Lake Annecy. Oh no, we're going up a hill and this is still effortless. This is so cool, the fact that it's changing
So I'm in
for me.
power mode 1, so if I stick this up because we're going up a hill, 2, it's a lot easier.
I'm in 2, and I tell you what I love as well, these handlebars are so ergonomic. Wow, this is amazing. I never thought I'd be off-road like this.
We travel in Europe quite a lot.
Yeah.
Switzerland, Slovenia, places with hills.
Yeah.
And this just makes it effortless.
Well, every time we go abroad, we say we wish we had electric bikes to be able to travel around in, because I think it's far more friendly than areas in the UK.
And they're British made.
Oh, yay!
So I'm in
wow.
3.
Okay. Wow. Wow.
Whoa! That's in 5. And I'm really motoring there.
Woo!
So that would be good for going uphill.
I tell you what, I am so impressed with the fact that I thought that being on such a bumpy track would make me really nervous normally. And I feel really sturdy, and that I'm holding the road even when I go near a stone or anything like that. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
Well, here we are in the Chiltern Hills, quite close to Whipsnade over there. I'm not well known for my coordination. The fact that I'm still on the bike, the fact that I felt safe and sturdy is pretty amazing. And considering, actually, to be quite frank, I've had a fear of riding a bike off-road and always wanted to do it. So I'm feeling quite excited. I feel quite liberated. Lots of stones as well, which is another thing I would have been afraid of, and some potholes. And I did actually, whilst I was kind of concentrating on looking at this scenery, which almost reminds me of the Champagne region, by the way. Does it you?
In France, yes.
Yeah, totally. That I kind of went over like a bit of a pot-hilly bit, and I thought, wow, that was amazing. I'm still on the bike, and I didn't really feel that.
So these give you the option, really, of having a camper van and travelling away from the camper van. So obviously leaving your camper van in situ and travelling for miles. We have an Adria Twin Sports, and it's got the elevating bed, and it's as if these bikes were made for that van.
Yeah.
Because the fit, when the bed's fully down, they fit absolutely perfectly. So that means you can sleep in the van with the bed down in its natural position and have these bikes safely stored underneath.
And even with the bed elevated or everything else underneath it, there's loads of room still, which is I was really astounded by.
And the other thing that impresses me is the cases that they come in with the zips at the front, so easy access in and out. And they fit perfectly, so it protects the bikes because they're in that case when you're driving. Obviously, these things may move around. So yeah, ideal. And
they also protect the furniture in the back of the van because we have cupboards. So, and if you want access to the cupboards, just slot them in and out easily, even in their actual carrying case as well. Pretty amazing, love it.
So Estarli are coming to Twinfest. The Twinfest is an event that we have organised ourselves. There's 200 vans coming to Twinfest. They're all Adria Twins, all made for this type of bike. So the dates are the 11th until the 15th of June this year, 2026. 200 vans in fields. We've got entertainment on. We've got people like Estarli there. They've not only got these, they've got the other lightweight bikes also. So yeah, looking forward to a great event.